Doing today is adding the FabShop YouFoundIt code to the Rain like so system. And in order to do so, I'm going to navigate to website editor. Now you should have received an email from FabShop, both with a front end code and a YouFoundIt code. Front end code will always go on the front page, your home page of your website, and I'm going to demonstrate that first. So first thing I'm going to do, get my website here. I'm going to go to add content, add body content, and then we're going to choose just a content module. Now this button right here operates, it's our source code, and since this is an HTML link, we are going to need to throw that in there. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and let's go ahead and copy my code. Fortunately, it does show the beginning and the end, so I'm going to grab the full thing and then paste this in here. And now that I've done that, we've got our front end code right just there. Now there's a couple different places that we can put this YouFoundIt code. Now, do we want to attach it to a category? Do we want to attach it to a specific page? Or perhaps we want to actually create a product for it. I'm going to start off by adding it to a category. So I've got my shop now. You can see I've got some subcategories: fabric, yarn, notions, holiday, slideshow. Let's add it to a fabric today. I'm going to go website editor, categories from here, and then I'm going to click this pencil icon next to fabric. And I've got my image here, the category name, and perfect. Source code, that's exactly what I need here as well. Let me copy my YouFoundIt code, grabbing both the front and end of the code there. And then once I paste this in, hit OK. Boom, I've got my YouFoundIt code, and I may want to put some verbiage on the homepage that says something like, hey, you'll find me amongst the fabric. Now let's say I actually want to create a product instead and have that show up. Let's go into one of our subcategories here. I've got red. I've got this product right here. We'll title this Fab Shop instead. Perfect. Now, in order for me to add it to this product, I'm going to go to our actual descriptions tab here. And then in the long description, you'll see that I also have this option for source code, or I can put it underneath the add to cart button in the same area just by adding it to the source code. Since I've got this copied, I'm just going to paste this inside the product. Hit OK, and you'll see it's pulling up in my description now. Once I save this product, I'm going to visit the website here, go back to my website editor, and let's just make sure that worked correctly. I'm going to go to fabric. Boom, I've got my YouFoundIt code right there. Let me go into my product right here. Let's see if I can find, I might need to do a search for it. There we go. Awesome. Apparently I needed the full title there. But you can see I've got my YouFoundIt code inside of a product here as well. So a couple different ways that you can actually add that detail. One last place I would like to show you, if you want to add it to just a regular page specifically, let's say maybe I want to add it to my About Us. It's going to be very similar to the front end code where I'm going to choose a content module. So I'll go to add content, add body content module here, and I'm just going to paste this once again into my source code. Boom, you found it. Please give Rain Retail like so a call if you do have any questions while entering this or if you need assistance. But I hope this has helped.